Hi, my name is Amber, and in this video I'm going to talk about pain. I'm going to start out by explaining what's going on in our bodies when we experience pain. As an example, if you were to step on a tack, receptors or sensors in your foot send a danger message up through your spinal cord into the brain. The brain filters this danger message and decides what response to give, pain or no pain. This might sound confusing at first. After all, you're certain that your foot hurts exactly where the tack hit. But how can the brain influence what you feel there? Think of the brain as a gatekeeper. Danger information comes in from the body, but the perception of pain is actually output from the brain when it decides that these danger messages have merit. The brain has a mini-map of the body and knows where the danger signals came from, and therefore where to perceive pain if appropriate. In this photo, we have danger signals coming from the hand, which is integrated by the brain with thoughts and emotion, so that this information can be interpreted as something meaningful. The interesting thing is that context, such as where you are, what you're doing, or whom you're with, can have a great impact on your perception of pain. This goes back to the brain being that gatekeeper through which danger information has to pass through. For example, if you're having a good time with friends when you're hurt, you may actually feel less pain than if you are already having a bad day and stubbed your toe. Pain is completely normal and is really helpful to us. It allows us to act on actual or potential bodily damage or tissue injury so that we can reduce its effects. To take our tack example, pain is what allows us to yank our foot away and protect ourselves from further injury. When we perceive pain, the sensors in the area become more sensitive, and it takes less input to elicit those danger responses. For example, after you step on a tack, the area is more likely to hurt if someone were to poke that spot afterward. This is completely normal and is called peripheral sensitization. In this picture, the squiggly line represents the excitation level of a receptor. Notice that on the right-hand side, after pain, the receptors become extra sensitive, and after that, there's little room for activities because it hurts too much to do what we could do before. You may be watching this video if you have been in pain for quite some time and want to understand what's going on. While acute pain or short-term pain, like if we were to step on that tack, is helpful to us and alerts us that there may be bodily harm present, chronic or long-term pain does not serve us in this way. While persistent pain may have begun from actual tissue damage, it continues for a greater time than it takes for that tissue to heal and does not serve a protective purpose for us. If pain persists, the nerves in the spinal cord are also sensitized along with the receptors and can also become better at sending those danger signals, even towards stimulation that may not have caused pain before. The brain also adapts to increased signaling as it keeps getting told over and over again that danger is present, so it adapts and lowers the threshold for the amount of stimulation needed for the brain to perceive pain. This causes the brain to believe that there is real danger present even if there's no such danger. This is called central sensitization, with central meaning coming from the brain. This central sensitization can cause pain to become even more confusing or stressful for somebody who has it. The good news is that just like the brain can adapt to things like pain, it is also good at responding in a positive way to manage pain. We can work on management of your persistent pain and getting you back to doing the things you love. Please ask me any questions you have about this video and we can talk about it together. Thank you.